What's up, everybody? So today I've been doing a lot of reading and research on the 454B refrigerant that we've been installing, and customers want to know how flammable is 454B, which is a great question. If you're installing it in your home, I would want to know too. So what we're going to do today is we're going to find out just how flammable, mildly flammable refrigerant is, what the EPA calls it anyway. So go to the shop here and grab us a drum and test it out. Safety first, so we're going outside. All right. So as you can see, it does excite the flame a little bit, but I wouldn't call it super flammable or dangerous by any means. It did not want to ignite and take off. But now we know. All right, guys, let me know what you want to see on some of these videos. We've got lots of cars and boats and stuff. Just let us know what you want to see. We'll make videos. Like and subscribe, please. The more subscribers we get, the better videos we can make. And this one, we can take out and do some speed runs or burnouts or whatever. Let us know in the comments.